Just got a new iPhone and can't find your phone number or someone else's? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to find your own number, saved contacts, and even deleted phone numbers on iPhone quick and easy. Part 1. How to find your phone number on iPhone. Method 1. Find your phone number in iPhone settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Phone. Your number will appear next to My Number. You can tap this field to edit or copy the number if necessary. Method 2. Check your phone number in the Contacts app. Open the Phone app. Tap Contacts at the bottom. Scroll to the top of your contact list. Your number will be displayed under My Card. Method 3. Find your iPhone number in Messages or Message settings. Open Settings. Tap Messages. Tap Send and Receive. Look under You can receive messages to and reply from. Your iPhone number should be checked. Method 4. Call or text another phone. Call or text a friend or another device you own. Check the caller ID or SMS header. Save the number for future reference. Part 2. How to find phone number on iPhone contacts. Open Contacts via the app or the phone app. Find and tap the contact to see their phone number. Part 3. How to find old phone numbers on iPhone. Recent calls. Check history. Contacts. Search by name or keyword. Emails. Look in sent messages. Bills. Review past statements. Orders. Check saved shipping info. Old SIM. Insert to view number. Ask friends or family. Part 4. How to find deleted contacts on iPhone with Doctor for iOS. Can't find deleted iPhone contacts? Mobican Doctor for iOS scans your device for deleted contacts, photos, call logs, and app data, letting you select and recover what you need. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer. First, download and install the software on your computer. Open the program and select Recover from iOS device on the main interface. Then, connect your iPhone to the PC or Mac via USB. Step 2. View and select the deleted iPhone contacts. Once the device is recognized, you'll see a list of recoverable file types on the main screen. Select Contacts and click Start Scan to load detailed information about your iPhone contacts. Step 3. Recover deleted contacts from iPhone. Check the contacts you wish to recover from the right-hand column and click Recover to Computer to save them to your computer. Optional, if you have a backup, choose Recover from iTunes or iCloud in Mobican. Select the backup, scan, preview, and recover the files to your computer.